Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to switch accounts on Clash Royale. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Clash Royale application, which of course I've done right here. Now where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download or install. After downloading or installing, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be asked to pass the first phase of your tournament, a tournament that is going to be displayed or suggested for you. Now, after passing the first phase of your tournament, it's going to take you to this home screen where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, how to switch account on Clash Royale. Now you can switch accounts using Supercell ID. What does that mean? From this home screen, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. And here you have Battle Log, Leaderboard, TV Royale, Training Camp, Tournament, Settings, and Supercell ID. Click on Supercell ID and that's going to take you right into the Supercell ID window. From this window, kindly click on the settings wheel at the top right corner and that's going to take you in here. So here you have show online status, you have receive new friends, you have change name, you have change email, and you have switch account option because you have logout and you have a couple other options in here. So head over to switch account and click on switch account. So this is my account already displayed in me, and you have other IDs, which is login to Supercell ID. Now click on that and now it says welcome back, so you can continue. So click on continue and enter your other or existing Supercell ID, enter the email for that and click on login. And then the next step is to verify the email. And after verifying the email, the next step is to confirm. And you see that your new Supercell ID is going to be added. It's going to be added here, and you can now use two Supercell ID accounts. You can now come over to the settings and switch your accounts. You can choose to use either Amy or you can choose to use the other ID that you will add or that you have added. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.